The OEM Grille Assembly, part number AEB 729142008, is the perfect replacement part for various LG cooktops, including ranges and stoves. This genuine original equipment manufacturer, OEM, part ensures compatibility with a wide range of LG models, offering you a direct, reliable fit for your appliance. If you're looking for a seamless and hassle-free replacement, this grille assembly provides the same high-quality performance as the original part, helping your cooktop continue to function at its best. The grille assembly is easy to install, and by following the instructions in your appliance's owner's manual, you can replace the old or damaged grille with ease. Whether you're replacing a worn-out part or simply want to keep your cooktop in top shape, this assembly offers an ideal solution for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your LG stove or range. Many users have praised the grille assembly for its easy replacement process. One reviewer mentioned that it was exactly like the original part that came with their cooktop, providing a perfect fit and hassle-free installation. The part's quality matches the factory standard, and the assembly fits well into the design of the cooktop. However, some users have noted that the non-stick coated aluminum construction may not last as long as they would prefer, especially compared to other materials like cast iron. While the aluminum version works great for a couple of years, they suggest that a cast iron version could offer greater durability in the long run. Overall, this OEM grille assembly is an essential part for maintaining your LG cooktop, providing you with a cost-effective and reliable solution. If you're ready to replace your old, worn-out grill with a new, genuine part, click the link in the description to purchase it today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more products that can improve your cooking experience.